So TPMS is very similar to what a lot of people have in their cars. Most modern cars have these, actually all modern US cars, it's mandated. But TPMS stands for, as you mentioned, tire pressure monitoring systems. These systems can monitor the pressure that's in the tire and report out warnings or tell the operator what the current tire pressure is. They are really not capable of actually putting air into the tires. And that's the main difference between a TPMS system and an ATIS system. Automatic tire inflation systems, ATIS, are active inflation systems. So not only can they tell and see what pressure is currently in the tires, but they can also add air when required.
Yeah, having those two particular systems in a fleet shop, it really helps the efficiency of that shop when it comes to tire repair. There are some of the things when fleets are deciding what type of platform to get. Where are those factors? Where are those factors when choosing one over the other? What are the pros and cons of that?
From a maintenance perspective, the automatic tire inflation system that actively maintains your tires really is a lot more beneficial than TPMS. And the reason for that is if you just have a TPMS system, even when you find a problem with a tire, then the operator has to seek out a service location or find somewhere to get air to refill that tire. So in most instances, at least for the commercial trucking industry, if you can have an active inflation system, that's far more beneficial. The problem is on the tractor side, because of drive axles and other configurations related to the equipment, it's very difficult to do an automatic tire inflation system. So you don't see a lot of those on trucks and tractors. But on the trailer side, it's much easier because the axles are hollow. So typically, the trailer users will opt for an ATIS system as opposed to TPMS, just because it eliminates a lot of labor and maintenance related to checking and filling tires.
So basically, I guess in the layman way, TPMS is kind of centered on monitoring, tire pressure and